Hello and welcome to another lesson in the creation of our school management system. And in this lesson, we're going to work on admission receipt generation, as in what we did in the previous one, where we work on how to generate or work on the payments official receipt generation. So here we're going to deal with that of the admission. So let's quickly dive right into it. With the admission, we're going to use the student details as our table array. So we're going to select it this way. So you make sure you do exactly the same thing. So select the entire table up to this, to the last student. So let's just go here and name it ADM, for short, admission, ADM. So let's hit enter. So we have that. Let's reselect it to make sure that the name has been added to our name manager. Good, ADM is working. So let's just go back and begin things running. So let's just locate our admission receipt sheet. So this is it. So we're going to use the function VLOOKUP as you saw what we did in that of the official payment receipt. So just enter here and go with equal to, then VLOOKUP. So just double click to select it. Then our lookup value is this cell. So you click it and just type comma. And after that, the table array is ADM. So we have it here popping up already. So comma. Then the column index for admission number is 1. So you just type comma and add 0. Then you close your brackets. So we have this. Yes, this happened in our previous one. So you just add the if error. So you close, you open a bracket after typing the if error, then comma, then 2 inverted commas, then you close the bracket, then you hit enter. So we have this. So we just type 1, so we have 1 here. Good. Let's just go ahead and copy the formula and paste in other fields, and then format, and then edit it appropriately to suit what we need. So Control C to copy. So click somewhere here and then press the escape key to clear the copying. So let's just come here, equal to, and Control V to paste. So with that of the name is in the column 2. So we just edit this to 2. We hit enter. With the class column 3, equal to, so Control V to paste. So Control V, yes, to paste. We just change this to 3, then enter. With the gender, this is equal to, so let's just type Control V to paste. And then with the admission, what do you call it? The column index is going to be 4 here. That is for the gender. So enter. Then equal to, then Control V. Then date of birth. Date of birth. The column index is 5. So we just choose 5 here. Then enter. Come here. Then equal to Control V. Then date of admission is in column 6. So you just type 6 here. Enter. Come here, equal to, then Control V. Then admission fee, that will be 7, column 7. Good. Guardian name, this is equal to Control V, column 8. So just type 8 and then enter. Then this is equal to address, Control V. Then 9, enter. And finally, this is equal to Control V. So just add 0 to this to make it 10, and enter. So when we type number 1 here, we have the information for the students popping up here and then up and running. If it's not fitting, now what you need to do is to select the entire fields like this. Select them, select the first one, press and hold Control on the keyboard, and then you just decrease the font size. So let me just, this is what I mean. So select this with your hand on the, what do you call it? The Control key. So after that, you can just reduce the font size to something like. So this is okay. So we are done. Let's look at the dates. You can see it's not formatted. So select this, press and hold Control on the keyboard, then select these two. So we're going to format them. So just go to this and then choose short date. So we have the date appearing there. So let's go to the second student. We have this. Third student. We have that. Fourth student. We have this. So that is that. So I think we are done with how to work on our admission receipt. So from here, we're going to check on how to write the codes for the print receipt, so that the moment we just hit this button and we go to print preview, and then we go ahead and then do the printing. So I think we are done with this tutorial too, so you wait for the next tutorial. So till then, thank you very much for watching, and bye for now. And don't forget to save your goddamn work. Control S, that's the action.